Today we're here at Tenaya Springs by America West. Now, if you're looking for an affordable 2-story floor plan priced in the low 500s, close to South Summerlin, well, don't go anywhere, guys. You're gonna wanna stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is August 2nd, 2025, and today we are here at Tenaya Springs by America West, here in the Spring Valley area. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here right off of Durango in the 215. So we're in a really good location, in my personal opinion, because easy access to the freeway. You could get to the Strip and the airport in about 15 to 20 minutes. But we're also close to a couple of hospitals, Southern Hills Hospital, St. Rose Hospital. You have IKEA close by. There's the Uncommons, Durango. We're close to South Summerlin. So really ideal location. It's highly demanded as well. I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So here they offer 3 different floor plans, okay? All 2-story floor plans, ranging from about 1710 square feet to 2118 square feet, okay? Prices that I show you, that you see, are the out the door prices, because these homes here, they don't build from ground up. They choose all the options and the prices are out the door, okay? These are called spec homes. Now, in my opinion, these are the most affordable single family homes like in this entire area. So if you're looking for like the low 500 price range and you need like a 4-bedroom or 2-story home, this is a great option, okay? Now the HOA here is $64 a month. There's about 95 homes in this community. Now this community has been up and running for the past, I want to say like year or so. So they only have 16 more lots available. Okay, so if you're interested, you got to get in quick. Yeah, I think that's all I got for you. So let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Kaufman floor plan. Now the Kaufman floor plan is 2,118 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. The price out the door, you're looking at about $525. Okay. Now this Kaufman model is going to be the largest floor plan in this community. Now also too, like in this specific area, like Durango and by the 215, this is actually going to be the most affordable single family home community in this area, okay? Because we are actually close to South Summerlin. So it's a phenomenal area right by the 215, highly desired area. But yeah, let's check it out. So when we look at this model house, you can expect like similar type of upgrades in the spec homes that they're building, okay? So except for like the accent wall, so it's not gonna be the accent wall, the furnitures and stuff like that, but the same level of finishes, that's what you can expect. So right over here, you're gonna have a bedroom downstairs, okay, which is nice. Now you do have 8-foot ceilings on the first floor and second floor, okay? So here, looks like we have this coat closet / storage space right here. Now this is going to be the door to the garage. Okay, that is the sales office. Now it looks like you're going to have your 3/4 bath right here. So we got the sink, the toilet, as well as the walk-in shower. Okay, so welcome to the main living area. So we have a kitchen, a living room, and dining room. Now right over here, you're gonna have your pantry. So you do have a granite countertop. Okay, so you can expect that in the spec homes as well. So you have some space underneath the island. Okay. Whirlpool refrigerator. Got the Whirlpool appliance package. So we got the oven, the microwave. Okay. The cabinets are going to be 36-inch cabinets. Also right here, you're going to get the dual basin sink with a Moen faucet. So nice open living area. Cool. So this is going to be the backyard. Most of these homes actually won't have the covered patio. Okay, you're gonna have a dirt lot back here. Now with the HOA, you're gonna have about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. Okay, so we got the gate on that side. We have with all new construction homes here in Las Vegas. Your front. You're always going to have the front landscaping. The builder's already going to do that. It's just the back landscaping that you have to do after you move in. Cool. Now guys, if you are watching this video, you're interested in buying a new construction home and you're thinking about going to a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. If you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. You definitely want representation, guys. The second you walk in by yourself, the builder agent is going to ask for your name, your phone number, and email. And now once they get that information from you, it's going to be really hard to get yourself some representation. Now the difference is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. Okay, so we hold the builders accountable, we negotiate for you. You know, we're just a guide there for you. So, and plus, I know a lot of buyers these days, they're worried about, oh, who's paying the buyer agent fees? Guys, I'm telling you right now in this market, you do not have to worry about that because the agent fees come from the builders, all right? And even on resale homes too, it's really easy to get collected from the sellers. So definitely get yourself some representation. Now, this is one of the bedrooms, guest bedrooms. There's plenty of space here, actually. Okay, so you got your closet. All right. Cool, so you got your bathroom in here, full bath. So this is kind of what you could expect with the sinks too. So you're gonna have this like drop-in sink, this type of countertop. Now the only thing that might be different from the model home is the flooring, and I think the cabinet colors. Okay. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna be using this countertop all throughout. This is going to be your linen closet. Here's another bedroom. Okay, good space here. Okay, let's check out the primary bedroom. So we do have a laundry room over here. Okay. We have attic access right above. This is going to be your smart panel box. This is where you would connect your internet router and your modem. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Right over here, you're going to have your nice large walk-in closet. Now we have your single sink. And then we have your walk-in shower, as well as your toilet right here. Cool. All right, guys. Yeah, let me know what you think of the Kaufman floor plan in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions, guys, reach out to me. My info is going to be description below as well. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.